Pakistan, a delicate blend of varied landscapes. From mountains in the north to the deserts of the south, the land is soaked in many colors of life. For centuries, the kaleidoscopic patterns of its diverse geography, rich environment, and unique lifestyles of its people blend to create a mesmerizing impression, stories that were filled with mystery to an audience from far-off lands. In the north, three grand mountain ranges, Hindu Kush, Karakoram, and the Himalaya, converge to create a wonderland. A wonderland decorated with fresh water lakes, gushing springs, lush green meadows, and sky-piercing peaks. The mountainous region proudly holds 5 of the 14 highest peaks in the world that symbolize the pride, strength, and resilience of the people of Pakistan. The Salt Range is another marvel that extends from Jhelum River to the mighty Indus across northern Punjab. This colourful hill system contains the second largest deposits of rock salt in the world. To the southeast of the country, the seemingly barren land of Balochistan contains many wonders beneath. Gwadar, the most promising feature of Pakistan, is one such wonder. This deepest seaport in the world is fast emerging as a regional centre of trade and shipping. The people of Pakistan are rightly proud of the ancient civilizations of Gandhara and Indus Basin. These civilizations were the greatest known civilizations that flourished in the region some 5,000 years ago. The splendor of these civilizations spreads from the snowy mountains of Kashmir to the glittering sand dunes of Sindh. Pakistan is also a culturally rich country. The varied patterns of life found all over the country have their roots in the old age tradition and customs. Every Pakistani, irrespective of its geographic and cultural affiliation, is proud of his country. Even a visitor seeing Pakistan's variegated patterns of life and living can't help saying, Pakistan, amazing.